There's only two main triangles that you have to memorize. They're really easy. They're both based upon basic and perfect shapes, okay? So for example, the first one is that 45, 45, 90, okay? What this is the square, and in a square, you got 90, 90, 90, 90, right? You cut it in half. Cut it in half so this becomes 45, 45, and what you have is this side is the same as this side is the same as this side. Mm-hmm. Now, I always thought and think of these, there's two of them that are 45. So you got x, x, you got a, b, and then c for your hypotenuse is x root 2. So what you have is you have going up to the, right, a and b are the same. But if you go up to the hypotenuse, it is either b root 2 or a root 2. Okay? Same thing. They're the same. They're equal. Then what you end up having is if you have the x over here, you got to divide by root 2. You can never leave a radical on the bottom, so you multiply by this to get rid of it, multiply by 1 to get rid of it. So what that is x root 2 over 2 for both a and b. And you have x over here. Okay? Then the next one that you get is your 30, 60, 90. And in your 30, 60, 90, it's very similar. You also have a perfect shape. You have an equilateral triangle, 60, 60, 60, and one of them gets cut in half. So now this is a 30. Okay? If it's cut in half, whatever this is half of it. Mm-hmm. And I always thought of from the shortest side to the middle, remember you got 1, 2, 3, both multiples of 3. Mm-hmm. Okay? You see that? This multiplies that. Okay? So what you have is anytime they show you that 30-degree, dot out the rest of your triangle. You got your 60 here. This is always double it. And this is always root 3 of this. So you always start with the shortest side to get your other two. The last one is when you get the long or the middle one. So you get this as x. Divide that by root 3. So it's x root 3 over 3, and then you double that, so that's 2x root 3 over 3. Okay, so this is your curve. Now be careful. They sometimes do this. Not drawn to scale. Be careful because now this is the same length as this is the same length as that. Mm-hmm. Okay? Mm-hmm. Any questions? Fill in your keys for that first page. Mm-hmm. Then on the second page, do everything on the left column.